All right, guys, what we need to do is just roll this baby right out and go with. Well, I'll tell you what, we can just pick it up. It's got handles on the side. Let's don't let it drag on that now. Let's don't let it drag on that.
Even got it.
I'm going to roll it this way and stand up on that end. And we'll take our bag. We're going to lay it down then. This is the back. So we need to point it towards the front. I'm going to turn it this way. Yep, we'll roll this way. I'm going to lay the ground fall thing. It's not really a ground fall. We'll get it out. We're going to roll it on. Okay. All right, let's drag it back this way. I'm going to move this. Okay, and we'll drag it back this way. We want to probably be 4 or 5 feet away from that up there.
Get the generator off before we go down.
That'll spread on out when you look at the thing here. Maybe I need you to get a picture of this right here. These are the deflation points. These have to be open when you deflate.
Okay.
So what we want to do is make sure these are zipped up. There's 2 on the back and there's 2 on the front. Okay, and Paul's getting the 2 on the front.
You got Steve. Okay.
Okay. All we got left to do now, we got it opened up like we want and positioned where we want, is to crank our generator up and get some power on. Okay? You can cut it off now.
Made that for him.
One thing we don't want to ever do is leave these inside the range when we roll it up, because it could puncture the range. But these go inside, and I'm going to let you come on inside and you watch. I'll give Josh instruction on how to put these up. And I need somebody on the outside too, down here in the back. Paul, you know how those go. All right, this piece right here is our target carrier. We're going to put it right here for right now. We need to get our rope stretched out.
That's fine. So I wanted
Try to put all this together so that it doesn't come apart and pieces are lost, because there's actually 3 main pieces. You got your roller at the back of the range, target carrier, and then this little piece are the pulleys that go on the outside that you can use to retrieve your target, so nobody has to come inside the range. So I'm going to give this to Paul, or give it to Matt, and Matt can give it to Paul, and Paul will install that outside under the flap. Yeah, they put yours at the same time. All right.
How you feel today, Paul?
Okay. There you go. Just hold on that one up there. The way this works is you feed the rope through the top loop right here. And it goes through a pulley, through two pulleys down here. Over to this pulley. You'll see the pulley on the outside, and it comes right back through up here on the top. There we go. Okay, so now we got us a continuous loop. We're going to take this, one end of this, and tie it to our target carrier. Okay? And one thing we want to be careful with on this is we don't need this rope really tight. All it does is just let this carrier go back and forth between the shooting position and where the targets are. So we don't need it like stretched real tight. And you'll see that more in just a minute. Going to go through this pulley. This pulley connects right up here in this ring. And it's okay to stand on the BB trap down here also to get this ring hooked up. There we go. We're hooked up right there. We're going to come right here and tie the loose end of the rope. Thank you, Matt. Like I said, we're not going to pull it real tight, just enough. And that completes the target carrier circuit. Now this target carrier can go to the back where you shoot it, or it can come to the front, and it's controlled outside by the instructor, so they can take off the target and put on a new target. Is that about clear as mud?
Got it.
Flips, we have extras, and the reason we have extras, the ones that were sent with the range when we received it, the BB's kind of bent them up pretty bad. They got to really put hard hold target. These are just some regular paper clips, and there'll be some extra in the bag with it, so if they get kind of boogered up, don't be afraid to replace those with the fresh ones. These BB guns, all are Red Ryders. They're all less than 350 feet per second. You can't shoot anything with these Red Ryder BB guns in here. So we got a place to put those. And Paul will show you where that goes. We got two that go in each side.
We doing more or what?
Where'd the other one go? You got it.
I got it. I'll hold it for you.
And we got a smaller one for the smaller kids right here. And what we do is here's the targets we use. We go ahead and put those in a little pouch provided right there, so that when the kids or whoever shoot, they can take their target home with them, and they get a Bama Carry brochure to go with it. Okay, we'll put these on the other side. You can see how the target system works here. You pull it, here it comes. Right here it is, where you can reach it real easily. I'm gonna get a target and stick on here. Right there you go. We're gonna send it back. Okay, this range is ready for a young person to shoot on, or an older person. One thing we want to be sure that we always do when we're instructing, we'll cover this again later, make sure the BB gun is on safe. Okay? And the instructor is the only one that is able to cock the gun and put it back in a ready to fire position. Never let a student cock the BB gun. I don't care if they're an adult, we need to stick with this. If you don't wear glasses, we have safety glasses provided. They must be worn for liability reasons. So let's remember that. When you cock the BB gun for a shooter, Josh is going to be my shooter. Okay? Here comes Josh. Josh, I don't know what side you shoot on, left or right, but notice that the muzzle of the BB gun is inside the enclosure when I cock it, okay? and make it ready for firing. It's ready for firing. It's on. It's on safe. Now, Josh, when you get ready to shoot, you must remove the safety before you can pull the trigger. All right. Okay? Never aim at anything you're not willing to destroy. Okay? Better make a good shot because you're on film, buddy. Okay, when the shooter shoots, go ahead and take possession of the BB gun right then. Because remember, you are the one that is responsible for this. If anything goes wrong, it's going to be on us. Keep the muzzle inside, put the BB gun back on safe, and cock it again. Normally we give people 3 shots if there's a line. If not, they can shoot, all they want to. Have to remove the safety before it's popping. Every once in a while, this will happen, which it did not shoot. No BB was expelled from the barrel. So what we're going to do is cock it again with the muzzle still again inside. Give her a little shake, and he's going to try it again. If this one fails, we're going to cut the tape. There you go. Okay. All right. And remember, take possession of the BB gun, and we're going to put it in a safe position right over here on the side. And then we're going to retrieve the target. And Josh has scored a 13, a 14. That's torn into the 7, so that'll be a 14 if you're grading the target. Thank you for shooting with Bama Carry Range. You did a great job. Thank you. Come back to see us. All right. You got it?
Yes, sir.
One thing that's very important is you maintain security at this range also. The last event that we were at, we had kids lined up for about 8 hours. And somebody always has to come take your place. We don't need any BB guns walking off because you're responsible for these. So make sure that somebody is in the instructor's position all the time. Utmost importance, these are the safety glasses that will come with the kit when you get it. Make sure nobody shoots without these on. Now, regular glasses are okay. You don't have to wear them over regular glasses, but make sure that anybody that doesn't have regular glasses wears their safety glasses, and all safety rules are followed. As long as we keep the muzzle inside the enclosure of the BB gun, as long as we keep the muzzle of the BB gun inside the enclosure and wear safety glasses, we'll be great. Thanks. Hope you enjoy.
Charlie wanted to know where the BB pistols were, Mr. Eddie.
Oh.
Oh, I shoot one of those.
There you go. Take safety off when you're ready. You're getting closer. You're all over it now.
I'm shooting at the bomb.
Yep, Mr. Eddie's gonna give you a prize to get that bullseye.
You right here, buddy? This side? Okay. Push that safety when you get ready. You're going to aim right at your target right there. You know how to do it? All right. You ready?
Yeah.
Keep your muzzle in there, okay?
Hey.
You're going to aim at that black dot, okay, baby? Best you can. As long as you hit that paper, you'll be doing good, because I don't know how to hit that paper.
Take it off the
Turn off right here, baby. There you go.
That's called a failure to fire.
That was a failure. Okay.
Let's try again.
Ready? There you go. I can't see where it shot. We'll see when we finish. We'll do a couple more. Let me talk to you.
I had somebody.
Yeah, turn and take the level. Once you finish shooting, you can.